Let me show you. Look at that. We are like right in the center. Alrighty, Squid Squad, welcome back to another video, a very special video. I have the Hoover Dam right behind me, and don't forget, we're on the road to 20,000 subscribers. When that happens, we're gonna be dyeing my hair, so subscribe, like the video, and I gotta find out how to get down there. Alrighty, I made it down the steps. Now they told me I can't skate in the street, but I might skate in the street just until I get down there. I don't know. I was actually kind of surprised. There's a ton of people here. I'm gonna head over. There's a ton of people here, but it should be a lot of fun. Once I get onto like the actual bridge part, I'm probably gonna have to go slow, but we'll give you something right now. This is a giant hill. I was not expecting to go this fast. Now I gotta pick which side of the bridge I want to go down. They both look kind of crowded. I think we're gonna go down this side. I'll go down one side and come back on the other side. I don't know how well you can see it, but there's a lot of people here. Oh, I guess we can't go down this side. We're gonna have to cross. All right, we gotta go. Okay. Put my mask up so nobody freaks out. Okay, I guess we'll go down this side first. As you can see, hopefully you guys can see, I'm gonna try and get some good angles. This is the side where, I think this is called the Colorado River. I'm not too sure, guys. You know, I just kind of do these videos on a whim sometimes. But the Hoover Dam is actually on the border of Nevada and Arizona. Right now, I'm in Arizona. I'm trying to get a cool angle for you guys. And actually Arizona, I think, has a different time zone than Nevada does. You can see up there on that thing, there's a clock, because I think it's actually an hour difference. Don't quote me on that, I'm not entirely sure. Ooh. This place is packed right now. Here, I'm gonna stick you guys over the edge so that way you guys can see. You ready? Pretty crazy. You can actually see on the mountains over there, there's like the water level. So the water level is super low right now, I think. Just because you can see how far it's come down over time. People are looking at me like I'm crazy. Oh, look at the dog. What's up, dog? It's gonna be a slow walk across the bridge, guys. And I think right here at this crosswalk is gonna be the borderline. So now we're in Nevada. Oh my goodness, I should have crossed. Maybe I'll cross. I'm gonna cross. Crossing seems like the move right now. Oh wow, this side's crazy. Let me show you. Look at that. We are like right in the center of the dam. I don't know how well it's picking up on video, but that water looks a little murky. Wow, look at that. You don't want to fall down there. Just look at the scenery though. It's pretty awesome. So there's also a big long bridge that they built. I don't know how long ago they built that, but that thing is gigantic and it's super high off the ground. It was meant so that way they would stop using the dam as a way to get across the dam, basically. I'm trying to think of words and I can't, guys. I'm just enamored by all this stuff and how cool the scenery looks. But they built that bridge so that way it would alleviate some of the traffic coming across the dam. So I think I might actually go across that. I think it'll be way less busy than this part is. Pretty cool. Oh yeah, here we go. Got a nice view now. The mountain's blocking the sunlight. Hopefully this is decent, guys. I'm trying to do the best I can here. I don't know what to do. I came out here, I didn't know, how crazy it would be, but pretty surprised how many people are here. I'm blasting music over here. Oh, there's an elevator? What is this for? Oh, it's a restroom. That's weird. Okay. I thought it was an elevator to go somewhere, but it's a restroom. Wow, look at that, guys. Oh, we can go right here. Got it all to ourselves. Wow. Isn't that crazy? Now going across it doesn't feel like it's that big. It only took like a few minutes. But like when you look at it, it looks gigantic. Well, I mean, it is gigantic, but it doesn't feel gigantic, I guess. Wow. Thumbnail? Huh. Well, I think that's the end of the line, really. Probably not much more down here. Check it out. Can you just imagine how long it took to build that thing? It's crazy. Should we go back the same side? Come down the same side? What are we doing? Oh, there's something over here. We can check this out. I don't know what the heck this is. Oh, the winged figures of the Republic. They just said it. That's cool. Oh, a staircase. Oh, can we do it? Oh. I didn't have enough speed.
Hey, sir.
Yep.
Unfortunately, when you go over here, you can't ride the
skates?
road. Yes.
Okay, no problem. I parked over there. Can I just go back across?
As long, I mean, I guess you can go on the road as long as you're following Nevada state laws of riding on the road.
No problem.
Then
Easy.
You can do that,
Cool.
but you can't go on the sidewalk.
Oh, no problem at all. Yeah.
Okay.
That's even better because there's so many people,
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, I'll just check it out and then be done.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
Hey. Jaden, go away.
Wow, this thing's crazy. I probably can't go down here all the way. Some sort of event center. Okay. Well, we almost got kicked out. Almost got in trouble. The guy was very nice, fortunately. So I guess I want to go check out that big bridge. So I think we're going to go up there after we get across, and maybe we'll let's see how fast we can get across the dam. We can time ourselves. He said we got to follow the state laws, so that means we can't break the speed limit, unfortunately. Let's see, time me. No cars behind me. Perfect. Guess we should probably get some of the dam in the background, huh? I'm sorry, I'm bad with the camera angles. Oh, look, another dog. Well, I'm glad he let me go on the street for the rest of this. It honestly would have sucked. Would have really sucked having to go on the sidewalk again. And still no cars behind me. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna have to go all the way up that gigantic hill that I went down at the beginning of the video. So I'm gonna meet you guys when I get to the bridge. I don't know what the bridge is called. I'll find out and tell you. But if you haven't liked the video already, what are you waiting for? But I'll see you guys in a minute. Oh man, that sucked. This better be worth it. Wow, this is crazy. Whew. They have a whole bunch of stuff I can read, but I'm already running late. So I think I'm just going to. Alrighty, here we go. It's probably gonna be super loud. Mike O'Callahan Memorial Bridge. Oh yeah, there you go. Get a nice view of the dam now. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. Traffic is extremely loud. Wow, that's intense. If you're scared of heights, look away. Wow, doesn't even look real. Finally, a moment of silence. Appreciate that. I don't even know what's on the other side. I don't even know if it's worth it to go all the way down. I kind of want the view more than anything. Appreciate that. Maybe this should be the thumbnail right here. Scared that a car is going to hit my camera. Excuse me. Woo! Man, that was so much fun. Not much else to see, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, subscribe, do all the stuff. And yeah, that's about it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Oh, appreciate it. Oh, now the fun part. We get to go down it. Only thing that sucks is these corners. Yeah, you guys didn't get to see me come up here. Going down it is a lot better. We're picking up some speed too. We're racing?
Yeah, almost made it.
You didn't get to the end yet.
I know.
How's it going?
Don't forget to ring the notification bell.